Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we've got a real classic on our hands, the 1970 Pontiac GTO in a stunning red color. This car is legendary in the muscle car world, and for good reason. From its iconic design to its raw power under the hood, the 70 GTO was the peak of Pontiac's muscle car era. So let's dive into what makes this car such a timeless piece of automotive history. Let's start with the exterior. The first thing that grabs you is the bold, aggressive stance of the 70 GTO. With its wide body, flared wheel arches, and a front end that practically screams muscle, this car exudes power. The red paint is an absolute showstopper. It's vivid, bright, and really catches the light in all the right ways. The body lines are sharp, and Pontiac really nailed the proportions with the GTO. It's low, it's wide, and it's got that unmistakable muscle car presence. The front end features a signature split grille with stacked headlights, which was a hallmark of the GTO's design. You also get that iconic GTO badge proudly displayed on the front, making sure everyone knows what you're driving. Moving to the back, you've got the distinct rear end with the twin exhaust tips and the overall muscle car silhouette. Everything about the exterior says speed and performance, and that's exactly what the GTO was all about. Now, let's take a look inside. Step into the cockpit of the 70 GTO, and you're instantly hit with a sense of nostalgia. The interior feels raw, but in a way that screams authentic muscle car experience. The seats are comfortable but not overdone, designed for driving, not luxury. The red interior, matching the exterior paint, looks fantastic and gives the car an extra bit of flair. You get the classic vinyl seats, with the GTO logo stitched into the upholstery, which adds a nice touch. The dashboard layout is simple yet effective, with all the key gauges right in front of you, giving you everything you need to monitor the car's performance. The steering wheel is a big, chunky, wood-rimmed piece that feels solid in your hands. And of course, there's that iconic Hurst shifter sitting center stage, ready for you to shift through the gears and feel that power under your foot. Now, let's talk performance. Under the hood, the 70 GTO was offered with several powerful engine options, but the one everyone talks about is the 400 cubic inch V8, which in its most powerful form cranks out 360 horsepower and 445 lb-ft of torque. That's some serious muscle for a car that weighs just over 3,500 pounds. The power is delivered smoothly, and when you hit the gas, you'll feel the car surge forward with an unmistakable roar. The engine note is one of the best parts of driving this car, a deep, throaty sound that just sounds like it means business. The GTO was equipped with a turbo-hydromatic 400 transmission, giving you a nice balance of smooth shifting and quick response. And when it comes to handling, the GTO's suspension system, though not as refined as today's sports cars, still offers a great balance of ride quality and road holding. As far as prices go, the 1970 Pontiac GTO is one of the more accessible classic muscle cars in today's market. Depending on the condition, a well-maintained example can range anywhere from $25,000 to $50,000, with fully restored models pushing even higher. Of course, the special editions like the Judge version can command even more premium prices, but for the most part, the 1970 GTO remains an iconic yet relatively affordable option for anyone looking to own a piece of automotive history. So, to wrap it up, the 1970 Pontiac GTO is an absolute legend. It offers a stunning blend of style, performance, and that unmistakable muscle car attitude. Whether you're a die-hard Pontiac fan or just someone who appreciates classic American muscle, the 70 GTO is a car that demands respect. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more classic car reviews. Let us know what car you'd like to see next, and I'll catch you in the next one.